Today, numerous companies are developing machines and vehicles that not only meet market demands but also incorporate advanced features to streamline operations. In this Mighty Machines video, we highlight 11 remarkable machines revolutionizing industries. Let's explore. Talon 2000, Pipe Fusion Giant. The Talon 2000 stands as the largest of its type, employing a cutting-edge technique to join large-diameter thermoplastic pipes. Built to upgrade outdated infrastructure, it enhances capacity for modern uses. This self-propelled unit lifts pipes from the ground, aligns them for fusion, and moves seamlessly from joint to joint. Its rapid response facer and electric-powered indexer ensure accurate heater and facer positioning. Operators manage it through an intuitive touchscreen interface, consistent with other McElroy hydraulic machines for user-friendliness. NIME Tech Vacuum, tackling plastic pollution. Experts have sounded warnings about global plastic pollution, calling for action to avoid irreversible environmental harm. The NIME Tech Vacuum, attachable to any crane arm, addresses this with its suction cups and 215 kilogram capacity. Driven by an electric system with optional lithium batteries, it efficiently gathers plastic waste, providing a practical solution to pollution. GBU 1570 Evo, lightweight crawler platform. Alma Crawler's GBU 1570 Evo is a lightweight telescopic crawler platform crafted from a unique aluminum alloy. Weighing around 2,900 kilograms, it's easily towed on a standard trailer. It reaches heights of up to 15.4 meters and boasts dynamic and proactive leveling systems, handling slopes up to 22 degrees 40% during transport or elevated tasks. LEV 1500, electric cleaning vehicle. Since 2016, the LEV 1500 electric washer has served urban and road maintenance needs. Originally with a 1,200-liter capacity, it now holds 1,500 liters. Compact and agile, it navigates tight streets and sidewalks, making it perfect for urban settings. Weed and moss brushes, sustainable cleaning. Spa Power Machinery's weed and moss brushes, available in the UK, provide a chemical-free alternative to pressure washing. Equipped with high-performance Honda engines, GXV 160 for professionals, GCV X 170 for occasional use, these brushes clean hard surfaces with clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, effectively targeting moss in cracks and crevices. CTX 160 Mini Skid Steer, compact strength. Vermeer's CTX 160 Mini Skid Steer is ideal for landscape contractors. Its 40 HP Kohler diesel engine and 42-inch width deliver superior traction and minimal ground pressure. With a 1,600-pound lift capacity and 88.75-inch hinge pin height, it navigates confined spaces with ease, supported by a 3-year limited warranty on loader arms. Beck XHS 131HR, next-level hedge trimming. The Beck XHS 131HR elevates hedge cutting technology with efficient mulching and a robust shell. Its vertical roller simplifies vertical cuts while safeguarding the hood. Enhanced hydraulic safety features and easy-to-maintain blade heads improve its dependability for hedge maintenance. Bacchus A30, nimble windrow turner. The compact Bacchus A30 windrow turner operates independently, requiring no tractor. Its rubber track chassis and automatic terrain adjustment ensure maneuverability. The height-adjustable, reversible rotor with variable speed simplifies upkeep, powered by an efficient diesel engine compliant with Euromot Tier 4 standards. Ventrac 4500 tractor, all-purpose powerhouse. Ventrax 4500 tractor combines all-wheel drive, a flexible frame, and powerful engines for unmatched stability. Ideal for golf courses, schools, parks, and more, it's a versatile machine for diverse tasks, from mowing to street maintenance. Carmix 3500 TC Mobile Concrete Plant. The Carmix 3500 TC Mobile Concrete Plant features cutting-edge technology and a user-friendly design. Producing 3 batches per hour with a 3-yard output, it includes an advanced weighing system and LCD screen for real-time monitoring and precise material control. HRVB Hydraulic Recycling Vacuum Bucket. Dynaset Toys HRVB Vacuum Bucket excels in cleaning and demolition tasks. Its powerful suction collects dust, debris, and materials like plastic, wood, and clay aggregate. Operators can adjust the suction hatch and use an additional suction port for precise, efficient cleaning. Share your thoughts. That's our list of innovative machines. We'd love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.